Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Tired of your office printer holding you back? What if you could print big, fast, and wirelessly, all from one amazing machine? Today, we're unboxing the Epson WorkForce WF-7510, and trust me, this isn't just another printer. It's a true game changer for any home office or small business. Let's kick things off with something truly impressive, its wide format capabilities. The WF-7510 can print stunning documents and images up to a massive 13 by 19 inches. Imagine that for a second. No more outsourcing large marketing posters, detailed blueprints, or impactful presentations. You can now create professional-grade materials right from your desk, saving valuable time and significant money on external print services. For architects, designers, photographers, or anyone needing to bring big ideas to life, this feature alone is priceless. Produce vibrant, attention-grabbing visuals without ever leaving your office. It's a creative powerhouse, plain and simple. Now, what good is printing big if it takes forever? That brings us to speed. The Epson WorkForce WF-7510 isn't just fast. It's recognized as the world's fastest in its class. This translates directly into increased productivity. Whether you're churning out high-volume reports, last-minute client proposals, or a stack of wide-format posters, this machine keeps pace with your demanding schedule. Less waiting around means more time focusing on your core business. Efficiency is key, and the WF-7510 delivers it in spades. You'll seriously wonder how you ever managed without it. But what if you want all this power without the headache of complicated setups or a mess of cables? Epson has you covered with incredibly easy wireless setup. Seriously, in just minutes, you'll be connected to your network, printing effortlessly from your laptop, tablet, or even your smartphone from virtually anywhere in your home or office. This flexibility is a game changer for modern workspaces. And speaking of versatility, this isn't just a printer. It's an all-in-one powerhouse, packing a copier, scanner, and fax. The scanner handles documents up to 11 by 17 inches. That means digitizing large blueprints, artwork, or old photographs is a breeze. No more stitching multiple scans together. Plus, a generous 250-sheet paper capacity means no constant refilling, keeping your workflow smooth and uninterrupted during big print runs. So, if you're a small business owner, a creative professional, or someone who simply demands more from their home office equipment, the Epson WorkForce WF-7510 is an absolute powerhouse. It combines wide format capabilities, blazing fast performance, incredible versatility, and seamless wireless connectivity into one sleek, reliable package. It's not just an upgrade. It's an investment in your productivity and creative freedom. Stop being limited by your current printer and start expanding what's possible. If you're ready to transform your workspace, boost your efficiency, and unleash your creative potential, this Epson WorkForce WF-7510 is an absolute must-have. You can find the link to purchase it, along with more detailed specs and current pricing, right down in the description below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you found